Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sylvan Lake, Alberta. This beautiful lakeside town is a popular place for people to visit, especially in the summer. It sits about 25 kilometers west of Red Deer and is known for its clear blue water and sandy beaches. The town began as a small farming and fishing community in the early 1900s. People soon realized how lovely the lake was, and it became a favorite spot for swimming, boating, and relaxing by the water. The lake itself is about 15 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide. It's part of a chain of lakes in central Alberta fed by natural springs and small creeks. In winter, the frozen lake turns into a playground for ice fishing, skating, and snowmobiling. Whether you love water sports, quiet nature, or simply watching a sunset over the lake, Sylvan Lake is a wonderful place to visit and enjoy all year round. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sylvan Lake, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!